how convert USDT to Euro in Bitget. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how convert USDT to Euro in Bitget. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first step is to go to their official website, and here at the top where it says buy crypto, you should have a conversion tab. But as you can see, I don't have it because my account isn't verified yet. And in order to have access to all the features, as you can see, need to identify your account. So if you don't see this option, just go to this address and then you'll get redirected here where you'll have to simply select sell. And then here you have to select USDT and then Euro here and then enter the amount. You'll see how much you're going to receive and then simply select the sell USDT, and that's all. So that's basically how you can convert USDT to Euro in Bitget. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.